Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we've got HELLBOY, a C5 powered 5th gen Dodge Cummins, ready to kick ass and take names. Take the throne from THANOS. The very first 5th gen Dodge Cummins make over 1,000 brute horsepower on our Mustang Dyno. Now, HELLBOY's been on the Mustang right all week. What's it doing? It's doing an engine break-in. We're just hot lapping this thing. We've got a brand new transmission, 2 big ass turbochargers, and a little bit of fuel go along the way. Should be a nice little mixture, make some big power, right? So we got to grab that 1,000 horsepower. So with any build, we're going to start short, sweet, and simple. A baby pull, small RPMs. Then we're going to lengthen this thing based on what it likes on RPMs, based on fueling, and based on boost. And hey, if 1,000 horsepower is in our grasp, we're going for it. It's dyno time. First run out of HELLBOY, 599 brute horsepower, 998 feet-pound of torque. HELLBOY started out at 2,700 RPM, so nothing crazy low. I want to start it up high, and I want to finish it down low. 27 all the way to 3,200. Graph looks good. I'm going to look at the data. I bet your rail pressure's hanging in there. Thank God. And now what we'll do is we'll lengthen that RPM window, maximize that fuel, and then start adding more fuel on top of it. Let's dyno it again. Torque is there, bitches. Jesus, big guy's coming on. Woo! Big guy is here to party. Second run out of HELLBOY, 700 brute horsepower, and the torque is starting to kick on. 1,128 feet-pounds of torque. So we took a look at the log. We knew we could add a little bit of fuel because we're trying to get to 900 before we start really judging this thing of how much fuel can we go? Are we there? How much boost pressure's there? It's skipping through these passes nice, as it should. We're lengthening RPMs. Based on that, a little bit more fuel. Let's see if we can get close to 900. It's dyno time. Torque was there. And I go 78, so 78 psi drive pressure. So 78 psi drive pressure. And then I'm almost a 1-to-1. So if I had a boost gauge on it, so I'm 60 psi, I almost did 1-to-1. That's really good. Like, I may be at 1-to-1. Coming off the Mustang Dyno with HELLBOY, where we at on numbers? 872 brute horsepower. Now that torque is kicking in. 1,469 feet-pound of torque. You guys always want to see a realistic truck, a daily driver. That thing's doing it on 37-inch tall tires. And we're chasing something too. I talk all the shit I want because I built the truck. THANOS, Mark, we are coming for you, right? The first 1,000 horsepower 5th gen Cummins to do it, and we're going to try to do it on 37s, right? But we got to have a game plan, just like Black Adam with these Garrett turbochargers. You don't fuel them home, right? You don't just keep adding fuel to them. You use what fuel you have, so add a little bit, max it out. What I like about the graph, come over here and check it out. We're commanding 29,000 pounds of rail. These are a mother to get lined out. She's actually delivering 29,000 pounds. Cherry, stick with that fuel. But what I don't like, but what makes me feel good, is my boost pressure. It needs to go up more. My peak boost pressure was at 3,500 RPMs. That means I made 55 PSI. Cool story. I need to bring that in down lower, because just like THANOS, when I started the run lower, that means start in the lower RPMs, 2,200, 2,400, I may pick up power with the same exact fuel. That's what I want. We don't want to fuel it home, we want to boost this bitch home. That's the whole point of it being on wastegates and a big turbocharger, clean pulls, low EGTs, and this bitch lives. So guys, if you're a 5th gen owner, you want to see HELLBOY in its final form, make sure you like and subscribe, because the next time you see this truck, we're going to be powder coated, we're going to be PBP built, we're going to be Cerakoted, and we're heading after THANOS. We'll see you here at PBP.